You might look at two different air conditioners and assume they're built the exact same way on the outside, but skipping a close inspection of the exterior cabinet is a massive mistake that can cost you a coil replacement down the road. There is a hidden structural design gap between these two models that directly impacts how well your system survives intense hailstorms, rogue rocks from the lawnmower, or a stray football. The way a manufacturer chooses to protect the heart of your outdoor unit tells you everything you need to know about where they cut costs and where they went premium. I'm the HVAC repair guy, bringing you real-world field experience from over 17 years in the industry as a service technician, installer, and contractor, combined with my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I don't care about shiny marketing brochures. I look at how these units are engineered to hold up under real pressure out in the elements. Today, we're diving deep into the physical build and protection differences between the ACiQ HVA9 and the Carrier Infinity 26 VNA1, specifically focusing on how their outer cabinets guard your investment. When you look at the ACiQ HVA9, the manufacturer utilizes a standard wire grill guard to surround the condenser coil. Now, from a pure service perspective, a wire grill gives you excellent unrestricted airflow across the outdoor coil, which helps keep the system running efficiently, and it makes washing out dirt, cottonwood, and debris incredibly easy during your annual maintenance. However, the major downside to a wire grill is the lack of physical impact protection. Because the spacing between the wires is relatively wide, the delicate aluminum fins of your outdoor coil are completely exposed to the elements. If a severe hailstorm rolls through, or if a rock kicks out from your lawnmower, it can easily slice right past that wire guard, flattening the fins, restricting airflow, and potentially puncturing a copper tube, leading to a major refrigerant leak. On the flip side, Carrier steps up the physical protection on the Infinity 26 VNA1 by wrapping the unit in true, heavy-gauge steel louvered panels. These louvered panels act like armor for your air conditioner. The stamped steel slats are angled perfectly to deflect hail, flying yard debris, and even weed whacker lines completely away from the fragile internal coil surface. If you live in an area prone to severe weather or have an active backyard with kids and pets, this structural barrier gives you an unmatched level of security. The trade-off a technician faces with louvered panels is that they can trap grass clippings and cottonwood inside the cabinet, making it slightly more tedious to clean out during a service call. But from a pure durability standpoint, it is a vastly superior shield. Both of these units carry a 10-year parts, 10-year compressor, and an exceptional 10-year unit replacement warranty, which means you are fully protected against internal mechanical failures. But keep in mind, warranties do not cover physical damage caused by external forces like a stray rock or storm debris, making the exterior shell choice highly relevant. Looking at the manufacturer context, both brands are under the Carrier Global Corporation umbrella. Carrier uses the premium louvered panels on its flagship nameplate to justify that top-tier status, while opting for the lighter wire grill on the ACiQ line to keep production costs down for the value market. When you look at the pricing, a contractor-installed Carrier 26 VNA1 runs anywhere from $14,000 to $17,500, while the ACiQ HVA9 can be sourced for between $6,500 and $8,500. That is a massive price gap. While the Carrier gives you premium American-assembled armor with its louvered panels and a slightly higher efficiency rating, the ACiQ delivers the exact same variable speed inverter technology, an identical 10-year warranty protection at a fraction of the cost. For the practical homeowner, the decision comes down to your physical environment. If your outdoor unit is tucked away in a protected breezeway or a safe corner of the yard where physical impacts aren't a threat, paying thousands extra just to get steel louvers makes no financial sense. However, if your system is completely exposed in an open yard or a high-traffic area, that lack of protection is a real risk. My final verdict is that the ACiQ HVA9 remains the smarter purchase and the absolute winner for the vast majority of homeowners. As a contractor, I cannot look you in the eye and tell you that a set of louvered panels is worth an extra $6,000 to $9,000 out of your pocket. The ACiQ gives you the same internal inverter performance and the same 10-year replacement guarantee. Buy the ACiQ. And if you're truly worried about hail or the lawnmower, use a tiny fraction of your savings to put up a